Hello, this is Group 3G from ELEC 3907. We are bringing today the Open Sesame Installationless Smartlock, or OSIS for short. It is a smart lock that does not require any tool to install and can be unlocked with various methods. Here's me carrying a heavy object. As you can see, with the help of OSIS, you don't need to use your key to unlock the door. Here's our two pictures of our separate modules, interior and exterior. The interior module will be using to unlock the doorknob, which will be using a step motor to do that. Exterior module will use fingerprint, facial recognition, RFID, and a transmitter to send the signal to unlock the interior module. Here is a working demonstration of unlocking the door using a PIN code or using the phone application. Here is a demonstration of unlocking the door with your fingerprint or RFID card. In this scene, a motion sensor will be used to control on and off of the exterior module. And this is a working demonstration of the facial recognition module. The LED light will turn on when it recognizes the user's face. Here's a demo of the buzzer, which will make different tones depending on the status. This is a demonstration of transmitter and receiver module. Because our non-intrusive nature of the OSIS, so everything will be wireless. So there's no need to drill a hole or run wires out along the door. Here is a demo of unlocking the door manually from the inside. You can also turn the doorknob if the battery of the system is dead. Here's a round view of the interior module. It consists of a stepper motor, driver, Arduino Nano, and a gear system, as you can see now. It uses a crown gear and the driving gear to change the direction of the rotation and turn the doorknob. This is an exterior module. It turns on with the IR sensor. This is a camera, a fingerprint module, the RFID module. Here is the USB port to communicate and the charging port. This is additional charging port on the side, and then everything is nice and neat tucked inside the casing. It's designed as a hemisphere, so it's difficult to grab and pull off by some unwilling or unlawful action. The installation of the device is very easy. It uses 3M command adhesive to stick on the surface of the installation. And it's very sturdy and it's difficult to take out. And that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.